Namaskaram. Uh, Today the topic is preparation of index cards or a record of literature. So it is of two types. In the previous session, we discussed the author index of reference, and today the topic is the second type, subject index of notes. It is otherwise called as subject index. Okay, right now. The writers have found it convenient to review articles according to a subject outline resembling that of author index. So here also a card system is used. Next one, separate cards are prepared for each of the desired topics in the paper, and on these, the notes on the particular topic or subject are recorded, semicolon, as the paper is read. These cards are then filed in the subject index provided. For example, one review card has the following entries. 1. In the upper left hand corner of with an alphabet, is the key letter for the entire investigation. 2. In the center of the card is an abbreviation of the topic, under which it is to be filed. Then 3. In the upper right hand corner of the card, is the name of the author and the year of publication. Okay. So here one you can remember that as similar to author index card, here is also in subject index a card system is followed, and it is of the same size, that is it is suitable of size with the 4 by 6 inches, and here nothing but is a square shaped card at the top. In the left margin of the corner, give an English alphabetic letter to indicate which major part of the review is collected, and at the center of the card you or one researcher can write down. For example, if you are if one scholar is doing a photosynthetic relative works, so P is in the left corner, and at the center photosynthesis, and relating to photosynthesis, there is the subject which is noted, or a sentence which is noted in the card in the bottom region, just below to the heading. And while supposed to be it is coming under photosynthesis, there is a structure of grana. Then the middle heading become, the next heading become grana. And similarly, the enzymatic level of action, next is grana enzyme. So this is an example. So while writing or preparation of a subject index card, in the left corner of at the top there is the alphabetic abbreviation, and at the middle there is the topic, and in the right corner of the card you can see it is written with the author or author's name, and it is with the year of publication. Okay, so this is the particular format while you can draw a column and give as an example and to write down such information in your textbook and along with your notes. Okay, I just one more explain the same. Next paragraph, write down in case where the same author has more than one publication in the same year, comma, the letters are used after the year. The letters are used after the year, comma, thus the year is indicated. Example 1999A, small letter A, comma, the same author has another publication in the same year 1999B, comma, 1999C, likewise. Okay, and here you can draw an example. A square box should be drawn in your notes. Example, if an author is doing in relation with germination and the dormancy and the topic of review collected by the researcher is in the subsequent years. So inside the column at the top it is indicated as capital G is the alphabet. G indicating germination. G. So just below the alphabetic letter you can put in bracket, write down germination in small, and at the center of the column or in a chord write down dormancy, and in the right corner at the bottom top you can write down agile, comma 2020. Okay, got it. So next paragraph, the page on which, comma, the subject was treated is given in the left hand margin, semicolon, before the statement of details, full stop. This helps often necessary a relocation of the passage from which the notes were taken. So this is a use of preparation of subject index cards. Okay, so full stop. So here you can remember that as in the case of first author index card, it contains only the author's name, then the year of publication, and the in which it is published either in a journal or in a book or in online mode or internet, and it contains the year of publication and even the article coming under the journal with its corresponding pages only. But while coming to the second type of indexing, subject index, it contains a statement at the bottom of the heading. That is, it includes a sentence or two. That is, it is definitely it is used to relocate the same article once again, and similarly the preparation of subject index, the same subject which is used for write down the review of literature. So that is a more effective and easy method while doing a research or doing a research dissertation or research project. One who can prepare both the author index and subject index. Author index, which is definitely help to not only help to relocate the article, but also help to write down the reference at the end of the dissertation or thesis or in a scientific paper. And while the same material is cited or prepared as subject index, the subject which is more relevant to the topic or the problem selected by the researcher. So one who can write down the same matter or subject for a review of literature. while it is used in dissertation or a thesis. And also it helps to get the author's name and year, and from one who can cross verify or cross check or easily collect the author index, and a reference should be cited without omitting while writing the dissertation or thesis. So write down or draw a small column at the bottom of the last paragraph. Example, so here in the column at the top left, at the top you can write down as G, at the middle dormancy, at the right corner at the top you can write down the same agile, comma 2020. Just below the heading inside the column you should write P indicating the page. Okay, 90 dot, then write down a statement. Seed dormancy in Indigofera tinctoria is due to waxy seed coat. Okay, so this is the subject which is write down in a subject index count. So that statement which is used for review writing, and also from the right top there is the author's name and year, and which help to locate the reference from the author index card. Okay, one more example. Draw a column. At the top left corner write down G indicating actually germination, and at the center we can write down catalase, CATALASE is an enzyme, catalase. In the left corner you can write down Rohit, comma 2019. Okay, just below the heading write down P, page number P dot 175 dot, then write down the statement. Increased activity of catalase help for the promotive seedling growth. So this is another major topic is coming under G, and the subject is coming under catalase. This is related with the enzyme. So this is another subject index card. So in as a whole in a research work, what are the requirements, which are the major topics that should be prepared with its corresponding subject which require to review, and also which is used, that is the most important statements from the subject index which is also used for discussing the results while you are enumerating. Okay, so this is the requirement and need of preparation of author index and the subject index. Okay, thank you.